how to fix localhost ERR underscore HTTP2 underscore protocol underscore error in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing this error message when trying to access IIS localhost. The issue mostly occurs after installing the October 2025 security updates on Windows 11. To fix this issue, you will have to uninstall KB506685 and KB50657889. KB506685 is October 2025 security update for Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2, and KB50657889 is September 2025 cumulative update preview for Windows 11 25H2. To uninstall the updates, follow the steps. First, through Settings app. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Update History, scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Find KB506685, this update, and click on Uninstall for this update. On the confirmation pop-up, click on Uninstall. Your computer will restart once or twice and the update will be uninstalled. After uninstalling the update, again open Settings app and come to this page. This time find K50657889, the preview cumulative update for Windows 11 version 25H2. On my computer, this update is not installed. I am showing you an example here to be fair. Suppose this is KB50657889. Then click on uninstall for that update and click on uninstall. Again your computer will restart once or twice and the update will be uninstalled. After that the HTTP2 protocol error will be gone and the issue will be fixed. For any reason, if you are not able to uninstall both the updates from Settings app, then you can uninstall using command prompt. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, go to the video description, you will find these commands there. Run the commands one line at one time. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Do you want to uninstall the following Windows software update? Click on Yes. I am not uninstalling here. I am showing you an example. Your computer will restart and the update will be uninstalled. After uninstalling the update, again open the command prompt and again go to the description of this video and copy the second command. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Since the update is not installed on my computer, so this message is showing. You will see the confirmation pop-up. Click on yes there. After one or two restarts, the update will be uninstalled. After uninstalling both the updates, the problem will be solved. After uninstalling, you can restart once more your computer. The issue should be solved now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.